In this video, I'll detail how to enable link to Windows on Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you want to link your Samsung phone to your Windows operating system so that you receive the same notification you have on your Samsung phone on your Windows PC, this video is going to walk you through. So if you don't know this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now all you need to do to turn on link to Windows on Samsung Galaxy phone is to go to your phone settings. While on the settings page, scroll down and click on connected devices. Then under connected devices, locate link to Windows and tap this. Then once you tap that, you'll be taken to this page. This is where you'll be able to link your Samsung phone to Windows. Then tap this to turn it on. Once that is turned on, you'll be prompted to link your account. So in this case, let's say you do not have an account linked to your Samsung Galaxy phone. Then you just need to click on sign in to add computer. Then hang on. Once you click on sign in to add a computer, you'll be prompted to sign in using your Microsoft account. Then you need Hotmail to sign into your Microsoft account or sign in using QR code on your PC. In this case, I'm just going to go ahead and click on sign in. Once you tap the sign in, you'll be prompted to add your email. And of course, your Samsung phone will automatically detect associated email to your account. Here you can see I have to. So in your case, click on sign in with a different account if you do not have your Hotmail or Microsoft email on this page. So click on it. Then click on the continue button. Once you tap the continue button, you just need to hang on. Then you'll be prompted to type in your password. Go ahead and type in your password. Once you type in your password, click on sign in. Then hang on to sign into your Microsoft account on your Samsung Galaxy phone. And once you sign, you see connecting your device and account. This may take a few moments. Please do not close the app. Your connection is almost complete. Just need to hang on for your Samsung phone to complete linking your device to your Windows computer. Then go ahead and click on done. However, before you close this, you can always access your device from your PC, open the phone link app on your PC, or unlock this device near your PC to prompt to complete quick pairing with your phone link. So all you just need to do now is get your Samsung phone close to your PC or Windows computer, and then this is going to prompt you to open the phone link on your Samsung phone to connect or link your Samsung phone to Windows. Then after that, you can just come down here and see app settings. On the app settings, you may use mobile data to link your computer and share data between your device over network when Wi-Fi isn't available. So with this, you can just turn on this data so that this is going to grant access to your computer internet access without Wi-Fi. Then here, you can turn on instant hotspot. Then got it. This is going to connect your PC to your mobile hotspot in an instant. Standard data and roaming will apply. Then that's what you need to do to turn on or enable link to Windows on Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.